Hello, I am Pragnya Mohan, a chartered accountant and an international sports person. There's an important update for the 12th Standard Commerce students. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has relaxed the qualification for its foundation exams to be held in May 2021. If you are a 12th standard student and will appear in the March board exams, you can sit for the May 2021 foundation examination provided you register by the 1st of January. Earlier, students could only appear earliest in the November 2021 exams. This can save 6 months of time off the course. How to go about it? First, go to the website and check details. Second, register for the foundation course latest by 1st January 2021. Third, carry on with your 12th standard studies and finish the board exams. After the board exams, you will get approximately 1.5 months to prepare for the foundation exams. The Commerce 11th and 12th syllabi of both CBSE and ISC have 90% overlap with foundation syllabus. Therefore, the topics like Contract Act, Sales of Goods Act, etc. will have to be studied afresh, and some mathematics studied in 9th and 10th needs to be brushed up. I would also like to clear some common misconceptions about the CA course and career options. First, who can pursue it? Anyone appearing for the 12th board exams can apply for CA course, including commerce, science and art stream students. Yes, even science and art stream students can apply and pass the course. I was myself a science stream student in the 12th class who cleared the foundation course in the first attempt. Second, whether coaching is compulsory. While a majority of students opt for coaching classes, it's neither compulsory nor required. I passed all the 3 levels of CA course without any coaching. One can also opt for specific level or specific subject coaching as per their requirement. Lot of online material is available. Third, career options. The starting salary and career options of a new CA is equivalent to those with preferred engineering degree from good college. Often, a number of CAs are recruited in banking and marketing companies as management trainees alongside MBAs with the same salary and perks. One can also start their own practice right after getting their CA degree. A former CA Institute president once said in a conference that he is yet to meet a young practicing CA who was unable to buy a car and house within 5 years of establishing their practice. Fourth, international opportunities. Due to various understandings between Indian CA and other international CA organizations, it's easy to get qualified as a CA in many countries. As a result, there are a number of CAs working in America, Canada, UK, Australia, Middle East, and number of other countries. Yes, the course is tough, but it is not out of reach. While studying for the CA course, I pursued a sport called triathlon, becoming the national champion and winning gold medal at the National Games and South Asian Championship. I was also awarded the Gujarat State's Top Sports Award, Eklavya Award. I wrote a large number of papers for the CA student conferences and presented in 1 international and 7 national conferences, winning a Best Paper Presenter award, and did 3 years of articleship and completed BCom and MCom courses. 12th standard students who have not considered CA as an option should relook at it, especially the commerce students. You can subscribe to my channel for regular updates, follow me on Instagram and email me any queries you have. The links are in the description below. Thank you for your time and attention.